Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the mask effect. The video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the footage to the second layer. Now we want to mask the left side of this wall. We firstly need to find the point where it ends. Then place the clip you want to transition it under the first one. Select the main clip, go to Mask and select Single Line. Now add the keyframe, and move the mask to the left. Move one frame to the right and now starts the adjusting of the mask. Because our object is not straight, we need to rotate it constantly. For this one we are going to change the rotation to 50 and drag the mask to the right. Now go a few layers later, change the rotation to 49 and drag the mask again to the left. We would need to constantly lower the rotation, in order to adjust the mask right, and to look more professional. Make sure to repeat this in many frames. Guys, again make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.